Well, the stage is set for the second semi-final and the participating really confident of their win. We will start the semi-final with the introduction of all the teams. Team B.
My name is Rishi.
Rishi,
Divyanshi.
Divyanshi
Surbi.
and Surbi forming up Team B. Devansh,
Aman.
Aman
Rehan.
and Rehan. Team D.
Nishant.
Nishant,
Ishika.
Isika
Avi.
and Avi forming up Team E.
Shivani.
Shivani,
Aditi.
Aditi and Tarun will be fighting it out for Team G. Well, as you know, the first round will be the buzzer round. The buzzer round you got to be careful because it is carrying with it a risk of subtracting some marks from your overall tally. That is, if you throw the ball and then answer it wrong, you will lose 3 marks from your tally, but in case your answer is correct, you add 5 marks, right? So before you throw the ball, be careful. We are starting the buzzer round and here I go with the first question. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. Keep the balls ready, but think before you throw the ball. Name one plant disease caused by fungi. Team B.
Rusting wheat.
Rustic wheat. Although you were not so confident, but your answer is absolutely correct. 15 starts with 5 marks. Second question. Ready teams? Balls in your hands. Ready to throw. But before you throw it, just think. Deliberate. Be sure. And then only you should throw the ball. My second question to you is, describe the reaction of copper metal with moist air which takes place in nature. You have to describe the reaction of copper metal with moist air. Copper metal with moist air. Come on, 30 seconds. Time is passing. Time and tide कभी किसी का इंतजार नहीं करते. ये जो टिक 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 है ना, ये तो चलती रहती है. देखिए, टाइम अप. तो किसी ने आंसर नहीं दिया. मेरा सवाल था, describe the reaction of copper metal with moist air in nature. So naturally, the reaction will be Cu plus H2O plus CO2 plus oxygen, right? So it is copper plus water plus carbon dioxide plus oxygen. और जब आप बैलेंस करोगे इस इक्वेशन को तो you will have 2Cu, right? And this gives you copper hydroxide and copper carbonate, right? कोई बात नहीं, don't be discouraged. अभी तो 2 Questions और हैं. We have a long way to go. Question number 3. Ready teams, hands on buzzer. And the question is, name the lightest non-metal under standard conditions. Lightest non-metal under standard conditions. Come on. Time passing. Team B again. Phosphorus, I'm afraid, is wrong. You lose -3. The correct answer would have been lithium. कोई बात नहीं, आप अभी भी 2+ हैं, आप अभी भी सबसे आगे हैं. Teams, the last question of this round. Ready teams, hands on buzzer. Keep the balls in your hand. And the question for you is, why is graphite not used for making wires? Okay, team D.
Because graphite is soft.
Graphite is not used for making wires because it is ductile and will break on pulling. So the answer should be, इसकी डक्टिलिटी की वजह से, इसकी ब्रिटलनेस की वजह से हम उसे यूज नहीं करते. लेकिन आपने कहा सॉफ्टनेस. द आंसर इज नॉट करेक्ट. यू लूज -3. We have completed this round, and after this round the scores are, Team G haven't opened their account. Team E are yet to open. Team D tried but failed, so they have -3. And Team B is the leader with 2 points. Please join your hands together for them. Well, the regulation round, I'll be starting with Team G. Total there will be only 4 rounds. I'll start with you. The first question for you is, which of the following plastics cannot be remolded? A. Teflon. B. PVC. C. Polythene. D. Melamine. Teflon, PVC, polythene, melamine. Which of the following plastics cannot be remolded? Option D is melamine is absolutely correct. You were hesitant, but the answer is correct. Very good. It's a good beginning, Team G. Team E, your question is, the synthetic fiber which resembles silk in texture is A. Rayon, B. Nylon, C. Polyester, D. Acrylic. Rayon is absolutely correct, and you get 5 marks for your correct answer. Team Loverton. Which of the following is also called thermocol? A. Polythene. B. Polystyrene. C. Melamine. D. Teflon. Which of the following is also called thermocol? Option B. Polystyrene is absolutely correct, and you 5 full marks for your team. Question for you, Team B, and your question is, which of these fabrics is the warmest? Warmest. A. Rayon. B. Nylon. C. Polyester. D. Silk. Warmest. Option D. Silk. I'm afraid is wrong. It passes to G. Option C. Polyester is absolutely correct. 3 marks. 3 marks added to your tally. The second round, I'll start with you, Team B. Second of the regulation round, I'll start with you, Team B. And your question is, the number of nuclei present in a zygote is A. None. B. 1. C. 2. D. 4. The number of nuclei present in a zygote is A. None. B. 1. 1 is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks. Question for you. Internal fertilization occurs in A. Female body. B. Outside female body. C. Male body. D. Outside male body. A. In female body is absolutely fine, and you get 5 marks for your correct answer. Question for you, and your question is, in asexual reproduction, 2 offsprings having the same genetic material and the same body features are called A. Callus. B. Twins. C. Chromosomes. D. Clones. In asexual production, 2 offsprings having the same genetic material and the same body features are called A. Callus. B. Twins. C. Chromosomes. D. Clones. Clones is absolutely correct. How can you hesitate? But the answer is as accurate as the Indian soldiers in the war of Kargil. Question for you, Team Z, and your question is, which of the following is not a part of human reproduction system? A. Testes. B. Epididymis. C. Seminal vesicles. D. Oviducts. Option B is not correct. It passes to Team B. Option C is not correct. Passes to D. Oviduct is correct, and you get 1 number of marks for it. Well, regulation round 3, I'll be starting with Team G, and your question is, an example of contact force is A. Frictional force. B. Muscular force. C. Magnetic force. D. Both A and B. An example of contact force is A. Frictional force. B. Muscular force. C. Magnetic force. D. Both A and B. Option D, both A and B is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks. Very good. Team G is doing really well. Team E, your question is, the friction exerted by air is called A. Air drag. B. Rolling friction. C. Sliding friction. D. Static friction. The friction exerted by air is called A. Air drag. B. Rolling friction. C. Sliding friction. D. Static friction. Static friction is not correct. Passes to team D. Air drag is absolutely correct and you get 5 bonus marks. And now your original question. Your original question is, the earth revolves around the sun due to A. Revolutionary force. B. Frictional force. C. Electrostatic force. D. Gravitational force. D. Gravitational force is absolutely correct. 5 more adding to the value. Good going. Very good going. Team B. Question for you, Team B. And your question is, deep sea divers wear special suits to A. Keep dry. B. Swim. C. Maintain pressure. D. All of these. Deep sea divers. D. All of these is not correct. I am afraid you are losing again, but not negative. An opportunity, and it is your turn. Option, what is that? Maintain pressure is absolutely correct. You get 3 more. This time I'll start with team B. And the question for you is, which is a highly poisonous gas? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Nitrogen. Highly poisonous. Oxygen. Carbon monoxide. Absolutely correct. 5 marks. Question for team D. And your question is, the hottest zone of a candle flame is a dark zone, luminous zone, non-luminous zone, blue zone. फिर से सुनिए, the hottest zone of a candle flame is A. Dark zone. B. Luminous zone. C. Non-luminous zone. D. Blue zone at the bare of the wick. Not correct. Passes to you. Luminous zone is absolutely correct. You get 3 bonus marks for your correct answer. And your question is, acid rain cannot be caused by the burning of A. CNG. B. Petrol. C. Coal. D. Diesel. absolutely correct. And you get 5 more marks. Question for you. Sodium metal undergoes A. Spontaneous combustion, B. Explosion, C. Rapid combustion, D. None of these. Sodium metal undergoes A. Spontaneous combustion, B. Explosion, C. Rapid combustion, D. None of these. Option C, rapid combustion, is not correct. Passes to you. Spontaneous combustion is absolutely correct. You get 3 marks for the correct answer. With this, we have concluded the scores are Team G 16, Team E are the leaders with 18, Team D 16 and Team B 15. बच्चों, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, थोड़ा सा दिल संभाल कर, जिनका दिल कमजोर है बाहर चले जाना, क्योंकि ऐसा सेमीफाइनल ना तो हमने कभी देखा और आपने तो देखा ही नहीं होगा। इतना क्लोज स्कोर कोई भी जीत सकता है। और इसी के साथ टीमों से कहूंगा, अपने दिल की धड़कनें थोड़ी सी देर कंट्रोल करके बोर्ड पर देख के हम शुरुआत करते हैं रैपिड फायर राउंड। रैपिड फायर राउंड में एक कार्ड मेरे हाथ में, टाइम कीपर के हाथ में 70 सेकंड्स और आपके हाथ में 21 पॉइंट्स, और पूरी टेबल बदल जाएगी। तो देखते हैं, शुरुआत करेंगे टीम बी से, और सबसे बाद में जाऊंगा टीम ई के पास। प्लीज बैठिए, आप केवल ये चुन लीजिए आंसर कौन देगा। तो यू विल बी आंसरिंग टीम बी। रेडी? टाइम कीपर मैम रेडी? एंड your time starts now. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree. Right. Fertilization results immediately in the formation of placenta. True or false? False. Right. The pressure exerted by a liquid depends on the area of the base of its container. Straight or googly? Straight. Absolutely correct. Rhizobium bacteria live in the roots of leguminous plants and help to fix oxygen. Am I serious or joking? Yes, I was really joking. A substance can burn without reaching its ignition temperature. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Absolutely correct. Friction depends upon the type of surfaces in contact. Right or wrong? Right. Absolutely correct. The field is leveled with the help of a hoe. Agree or disagree? Disagree is correct. Well, after a tremendous performance from Team B, I'm moving forward to Team D. Team D ready? 21 points for grabbing. Within 70 seconds, if you can answer correctly, you will get 21. And have a look on the scoreboard. You will again be the leaders. So, do not lose this golden opportunity. Ready teams? Timekeeper ma'am ready? And so am I. Your time starts now. Coal can be saffron into wires. Do you agree, disagree? Right? An embryo is made up of a single cell. True or false? Absolutely correct. The unit of force is Pascal. Straight or googly? Not correct. The removal of water from materials is called pasteurization. Am I serious or joking? Correct. The higher the calorific value of fuel, the better the fuel. Correct or incorrect? Right. It is easier to slide an object than to roll it. Right or wrong? No. Breeding, hatching and rearing of honeybees on a large scale is called pisciculture. Agree or disagree? Right. Secretion of endocrine glands are called enzymes. True or false? Is not correct. So you answered 5 correct? 5? 4 correct. 5 correct, 5 3s are 15, added to your tally. Your tally goes to 31. 31 is a good score. Right. And now, it is time for team G to go for the rapid fire. You got to fire your answers rapidly within 70 seconds. 70 seconds is the time and you can collect as many as 21 points. Ready team? Timekeeper ma'am ready? And your time starts now. Sodium is very reactive metal. Agree or disagree? Is not correct. Cloning is a sexual reproduction method in mammals. True or false? True is not correct. High atmosphere pressure is observed at the top of high mountains. Straight or googly? Is not correct. Algae is an important source of vitamin B complex. Am I serious or joking? No, I never joke. I am always serious. Carbon dioxide is stored at low pressure in liquefied form in cylinders. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect is correct. If two surfaces are passed harder, the force of friction decreases. Is it right or wrong? Wrong is correct. The first step in crop production is waterlogging. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree is correct. I asked them 7. They answered 3. 3 correct. 3 3s are 9 added to their tally. Their tally goes to 25. Tried hard, tried well. There is always next time. कोई बात नहीं. Well, team B. Before I start for you, just have a look on the scoreboard, and you can just imagine how close it has been. And you can assess the situation, how many correct answer will take you to the next round. Right? Team E it is, sorry. It is for team E. You have to look that side. Right? So far you have been the leaders. Now, just have a look and be patient. Answer correctly. Think before you speak. But do not take a longer time than required. Ready everyone? The team is ready and so is the timekeeper. I am also ready. And your time starts now. Rust from an iron objects in basic in nature. Do you agree or disagree? Agree is correct. Internal fertilization takes place in hands. Is it true or false? True is correct. Friction stops a rolling ball on its own. Straight or googly? Straight is correct. Common cold spreads through contaminated water. Am I serious or joking? Joking is correct. A lot of heat and light are produced during rapid combustion. Correct or incorrect? Correct is correct. Friction exerted on an object depends on its mass. Right or wrong? Right is right. Mixed cropping increases soil fertility. Do you agree or disagree? Absolutely correct. We have concluded the second semi-final. एक बात जरूर कहना चाहूंगा, सारी टीमों ने अच्छा किया, बहुत क्लोज फाइट थी ये, लेकिन जो टीमें फाइनल में पहुंच रही हैं, टीम बी और टीम ई, आपको बधाई। टीम बी और टीम सी, but always next time आपने बहुत अच्छा किया, बहुत ही अच्छा किया, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, ये बहुत क्लोज था। Thanks for the entertainment and audience. Thanks for watching. You have been absolutely fantastic audience. Thank you.